Today is Wednesday, March 8th. This is the 1976 to 1978 Cadillac Seville left-hand driver's side original vintage fully restored exhaust manifold, General Motors 411 961. This is for my friend Roth Allen, and this will be shipping out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, the unit has been fully restored. I'll go ahead and turn it over and we'll look at the machine surfaces. So the unit was inspected, MagnaFlux tested in order to validate that it's a zero defect free unit, zero defects. Remachined to within 5/10,000ths of an inch parallelism on a surface grinder. Climatized with a corrosion resistant surface treatment. And the studs replaced after the holes were rethreaded. So drilled and rethreaded, and we have nice brass nuts and very strong new original threaded studs in order to secure the exhaust integrity into the piping system. Okay, so this is a fully restored show quality unit. This will be going out to my friend Alan Roth as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, all the way through 78 for the DeVille and Seville and Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items, such as these beautiful, fully restored, show-quality exhaust manifolds, of which I have over 300 in stock. Okay. Beautiful. Today is Wednesday, March 8th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.